Still trying to decide which type of pill you should use for your oven, a metal pill or a wooden pill? Stick around and find out. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be explaining to you two different pills. I got a wood pill and a metal pill, and hopefully this video could help you choose a pill that maybe you can use for your oven, or maybe you want to get both. I got the Gozney Dome behind me, so I'm going to show you two pills that can be used in the Gozney Dome. First pill that we have here, this is a GI metal pill. It is an aluminum head, square head. You can see it does have the perforated pills. So this allows for when you're scooping up a pizza, or again just sliding the pizza on, any semolina flour is going to come off, so it's not going to burn in the oven. So this is the 13-inch head, I believe it is. You can see it does have a small handle, perfect for the Gozney Dome, your Ooni ovens, your Roccbox. Again, it's just easier, and it's not a long handle. So again, this would be a perfect pill. Again, it's aluminum, easy to wash off. As you can see, it's been used a lot, so definitely need to clean that off a little bit. But again, it's super light. And it's a nice pill. Gonna cost a little bit more than the wood pill, but again, it's worth the money if you're making lots of pizzas. The next pill that we have, this is a wood pill. This is by a brand called Winco. As you can see, again, this is all wood. This pill is a 16-inch pill, I believe it is, so it's a little bit bigger. So it allows you to make, small pizzas, big pizzas. Difference with this pill, it is a little bit heavier than the actual metal one, but that's fine. Also, you can see it does have a small handle as well. And one other thing that's good about this pill is, one, you could build the pizza on it and you slide it into the oven, versus this pill, of course, you want to use this more as sliding on. This pill, the wooden pill, you could use it to build your pizza on, so you're quick and easy into the oven. Again, this is going to be a little bit cheaper. You can find this online as well, or at any restaurant store, which is where I bought this one at. Alright, so I just wanted to show the length of these. Again, these are going to be pretty similar in length as well. As you can tell, of course, the metal one, or the wooden one, is a little bit bigger, but as far as the length handle and all that, it's perfect again for your Ooni ovens, for your Gozney ovens. Easy just to put in and put out with both of these pills. So I'm gonna make a couple pizzas, and then we'll come back at the end and talk again about these pizza pills, and hopefully you can make a decision on what pizza pills you want. Alright, so now that we have the pizza made, I'm going to go ahead now and get my metal pill here. And again, it's just more of a sliding on action here. And you're basically just stretching it onto your pill to get to your size. And it's just going to go straight into the oven. And just basically just going to be one swipe of an action. And you slide it in. Alright, so now that we have this dough ball stretched out, then we're going to go ahead and build it now onto our wooden pill. So this is again the advantage of having a wooden pill, is you're able to build on it. So I put a little semolina down, and now we'll go ahead and top it. Alright, now that you've seen the pills in action, I just want to do a brief recap about the two pills that I've used today. Again, this is the GI metal. It's a square perforated pill. Again, it's light, easy to clean up, and again, this is going to be more for sliding a pizza on and launching it into the oven. And then we have our wooden pill, again, slight heavier, little bit bigger head as well on this one. Again, I have it drawn a 12-inch pizza, so I know where to get my pizza. Like I said, a little bit heavier, but this one you could definitely make your pizza on it and slide it into the oven. And yeah, if you liked this video, again, let me know down in the comment below what type of pill you use or what type of pill you're wanting to get. I'll put some links down below as well. Follow me on all my socials. Again, that will be linked down below. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.